Alright, I've already prepared the weights for the inquartation on this batch right here. But since then I've acquired a few more pieces. I got a little bit of 10 carat, and Mrs. Arizona was nice enough to let some of her 14K go that she doesn't use or wear anymore. So we're going to get these ready the same way with the calculations and add the silver for the inquartation. So we'll put that back in the bag, and we'll now weigh out our 10K. There's the 14. 10 carat. We have 41.58. 41.5. And now that we have our weights, we can do our calculation. We don't need that anymore right now. So we're going to take the 14 carat, we have 9.6 grams, and we'll multiply that times 0.583. We have 5.596. We're going to round it to 5.6. grams. And we'll do the math on the 10K. We have 41.58 grams of 10 carat times 0.417. We have 17.338. We're going to round it to 17.34. Now, this is the amount of pure gold in these samples. We want to have a 3-to-1 silver to gold ratio. So we're going to take these numbers, multiply times 3. 5.6 times 3 is 1516. $16.8 grams, and 17.34 times 3 is 52.02 grams. Now, we already have base metals that are in these samples, and we have to subtract the amount of base metals from this. So we have 9.6 total, 5.6 pure gold. So we're going to minus 5.6 from the 9.6, which means we have 4 grams of base in the sample. On the 41.58, we have 17.34 grams of pure gold, and that's going to give us a total of 4, 2, 4, and 2. 24.24 already in here. So now we have to subtract this amount from the silver we need in the 10 carat and 4 grams from the silver we need in the 14 carat. That's going to be 12.8 grams of silver we need. And on this one, we're going to need 27.78 grams. So this is what we have to add to this total sample, 27.78 and 12.8. I'm going to add them up. 27.78 plus 12.8 is 40.58. We're going to reduce that a little bit to make sure that we don't have too much silver. Multiply it times 0.95 and we get 38.55. 38.55 is the silver we have to add. So what we're going to do now, get our scale back here. This is the original dish in the first part of the video. We'll put that on there and we will tare it. So we will add all our gold to it, 14 carat and 10 carat. Get that all in there. Tare it again. We have 51.07. That's pretty close. Okay, so tare that. And we need to add 38.55 of silver. Okay, so there's 31. I have cement silver here. Cement silver pure from my last refining. We need to get up to 38.55, 36, and how about that? Our scale is maxed out. So we have to weigh up 2 more grams. 2 more grams. And that does it. That does it. And now with this weight we added 5.6 is 17.34 plus the 41.25 from the first weigh up calculations. We have a projected yield of 64.19 grams. So next thing we'll do is go to the melt.